MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
We've arrived at Pneumatrol in Lancashire. James, thanks for inviting us here. Can you tell me a little bit about what you do here?
We manufacture hydraulics and pneumatics for people all over the world, places like China, France, lots of different networks, things like the rail network, different chemical industries, things like that. Also the energy sector as well.
In reference to the sectors worldwide, who do you serve?
Mainly the rail. We're big with things like Bombardier, hopefully soon to RAPT as well.
You've got a number of different machine tools here. I see you've got some Brothers, you've got some sliding heads,
Yep.
Got some Haas machines. With regards to the tooling, obviously WNT are your major supplier. Can you tell me why?
Yeah, WNT have been part of Pneumatrol for quite some time. Since recently we have invested quite a bit more in WNT due to things like help with reducing cycle times, the new vendor systems that they've put in place, and also the application support we receive from the local application engineers as well.
I know their backup is very good, but I'm sure their backup is very much down to the application guys as well. So with regards to how you run your tooling shop here, have they saved you money?
A significant amount of money and a significant amount of time as well. Yeah.
What sort of, how many weeks production would you say they've saved you over the year?
26 in total. We've only really attempted to do about 25 jobs so far. We have thousands of jobs that can still go at. We've already saved 26 weeks.
And obviously with the vast range that WNT have in their catalogue, which is about 45,000 products I believe, is there anything that they can't supply you?
Everything we've found, whether it be an odd-size reamer, has been finally sourced. Whether it be a longer lead time, usually it's 24 hours. But the stuff a bit more complex, a bit more unstandard, we've still managed to find with WNT.
With regards to the vending machine, I haven't been to many facilities that have actually got a WNT. Is there a reason why you use one?
It's to give the setters complete access to the tools, but a controlled access as well. So the setters will always have access to the tools, however there's a cap spend. So they can go up to the machine, but they'll also be restricted if it's taking out things like expensive tools. We have to get authorisation first. It also helps to keep track of our costs. We get written reports back from WNT all the time saying how these vending machines have been used. We can link these tools into jobs, and it helps us keep track of our tooling spends and who's buying the tools as well and what setters are using them.
With regards to the vending machines then, James, when supply is low, how does that work with WNT supplying new equipment to you?
It's over a period of time. The machines kind of develop a system where if it gets low, it actually runs out. This information is fed back to WNT, and they are then instructed to refill it up with more tooling and a higher quantity for next time. If we do run out and we're in urgent need, we can contact the nearest local salesperson, and it will be here within 24 hours.
You've got vending machines here. How many you got?
3 in total.
And are they fully supplied and backed up by WNT?
Yeah. The guy visits every month to restock and resupply, and obviously puts any corrections to the quantities that are needed in there as well. And also any additions that we would like to add in. If we contact them prior, they can always bring the new tooling in and swap it out for different tools at the same time during that time.
Based on tooling suppliers before, how many tooling suppliers would you use prior to WNT?
Including WNT, we're up to about 4 or 5 up to that stage, and it's narrowed all down to WNT now virtually.
One-stop shop.
Yeah.
Great. You mentioned that you had 4 suppliers of tooling. Obviously now WNT it seems to got the rest of your budget, is that correct?
They're great support, they're fast delivery and fast response to any kind of problems that we come up with, and the quality tools. The tools are doing the job, and they're doing the job that we've asked them to as well. The tools, when we change the cycle times, we're putting in new speeds and feeds. These speeds and feeds are true, and they are working within the same cutting conditions and things like that, and they moving forward well.
James, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for your time here.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.